Yeah, let me rip on this bitch.
Yo, man.
Let's battle. Let's battle.
Ready? Go.
And I'll give you one from Sarah's pack when she comes back here.
A Newport though.
Maybe.
Say it, Rachel.
David.
David.
Is that true, David?
Do it again.
He's not like a fucking sheep. Yo, there's a picture. There's a picture of MySpace. You three, you have a 40. Brandon has a 40. This nigga has an L. He looks like a little ass kid.
I've seen that picture.
I took that picture.
Yo, he looks like a little kid.
I took it.
Yeah.
He's like chilling with my niggas. You're in the middle going.
I remember that. I took that picture.
It looks like an L.
Oh, it looked like an L because he was going.
Yeah.
David.
How long are these fucking videos? Like 3 minutes?
You can go for as long as 5 minutes.
David.
Pat does it the best, I have to admit.
Say it.
Huh?
Do it.
Hello?
Do it.
David. Oh my god.
I'm not used to like
Wait,
feeling
Right here.
David, but not.
I don't know. Toma, why aren't you not answering your phone?
That is so rude. Rachel, I love you.
You know my phone's mad low. What?
Do it, Ricky.
Oh, this is my song.
Has Minnie been walked today?
I don't think
so.
so.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think
You
so.
and your
I'll
girl.
walk it right
Fuck you guys. You and your girl. Peace, nigga. One.